Welcome to Drifters Lodge Boat Station. I'm with Tracy, and she is actually going to share a little bit of her work from this week's Writers Retreat. Tracy, tell us about the work that you did just before sharing it with us, please.
Okay, we were sharing the story of Chiwele, and because we were told we are the gods, we can create, we can recreate, we can make the ordinary stories extraordinary, so we can, rearrange the Chiwele story and make it our own. So what I'll be doing now will be sharing my version of the Chiwele story. Yeah. It's a letter I wrote to my friend Mamelang, so here it goes. Dear Mamelang, do you remember when you told me that Dimu is out destroying in China and you were nursing a festering wound that would not respect even a bandage? I was not bothered. It did not concern me. I thought it was one of those stories on the international news, and why should I not have a good night's sleep? China is far. What is a Morolong doing in China? The furthest I can go is Mafikeng, and if I stretch is Gauteng, not Wuhan. Little did I know, my friend, that this Dimu you talked about was out to get all of us, to finish the human race, including from Wuhan to Skondomboro, to Matselagabedi, to Tshirila Molomu, COVID-19 Dimu. It got scary when the United States got its ears pinched, when even Germany fell in the chase, and the United Kingdom got caught by Dimu COVID-19, with its teeth out ready to crush and munch, its nails out ready to catch and tear, no longer just in China, but for everyone. Fear struck, panic struck. Are we dead? Are we dying? What does this mean when the stable economies shake? No matter what countries were doing, daily it was showing that Dimu COVID-19 o tsile go tsholla ngwana le metsi. Before my Botswana, my pride was hit. I was like, oh, you are soft, you are delicate, you are brittle, and you will rattle at the first crush. Not a physical crush even, just the spillover of the damage from your neighbors. Remember, you are landlocked. You are that child with special needs. Oh, poor my Botswana, my pride. I felt for you before you were even stung. You know what? But when we were told that home is medicine, I was like, say no more. Chiwele is our great cousin that we will just do with ease. Especially that we are told Dimo likes it when we gather together, so he collects in heaps, no longer solo shots. I was like, we are the queens of Botseti. Confinement is our nature. So if it brings healing, bring that on. The government cried to us to do like our great cousin, to stay home, to lock down, and look for ways to block out demo, to sanitize, wash hands, wear masks, and social distance. Oh, my friend, it's not a story we are winning anytime soon, I tell you. Did we not have endless stories? Grandfather did not take it. First of all, he has grandmother and others. So when will he attend to others when he stays home? He will be staying at homes. He complained about Masimo and Badisa and his old age pay. So his fight was, I have a life outside, or he roamed the streets. I want to tell you about my grandmother too. Chiwele even. She told me about society, the Mothokebatho lines. And she reminded me, if I stay home, o tla bonwa ke mang gore wa swa, o tla hitlhwa ke mang. Or she traversed the streets. A tlhola barolong, a kopa disukiri, a isa merapelo. At that time, I tell you, Dimu was already within us, with his claws on our throats. We could not breathe. And Seke Tumile Masira Hospital soon got lively with the lives ending. If you want the site of it, it is on Minister Lemogang Kwape when he reported the first death. His countenance cried, what happened to Lebatila Namaran Raban? Dear Mamelang, I did right, I stayed home, but I was a snob in my family. Bana ba go rata go nna ka matlo ba sa aga. I was antisocial in the sight of my family, and they brought Dimo home. It is my grandfather and mother who brought Dimo COVID-19. And though I stayed home, ga go a Chiwele, Dimo did not break the door, did not use a sweet voice to lure me to open. They opened, and all of us are infected, even those who heed to the stay home call. My friend, ga go a Chiwele.